Welcome to the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4 in Summit White. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Acadia, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows and mirrors, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, button-activated shifter. Below that we have a single cigarette lighter charger and 2 USB charging ports. All-wheel drive toggle is in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Acadia, starting off with the 17-inch wheels paired up with Continental Terrain contact tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badges on the doors, blacked-out mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, you can find your Acadia, GMC, and AT4 badging all on the hatch and the twin chrome-tipped exhaust. Heading back inside the Acadia, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the SUV. Here in the center console, we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control. Directly below that, a 120-volt outlet and 2 USB charging ports. And the center console also houses cup holders and additional storage. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.